Good morning, students. Today, I, Mrs. Neha Inamdar, welcome you all on the digital platform of e-learning. Today, in this video, we will be discussing about the importance of value creation during this pandemic condition of lockdown. Students, this kind of a condition was never expected by any one of us. So, why not to take advantage of it in creating value for our own self? Isn't it? Yes. So, before we move on to the next session, I just wanted to give you one important instruction that please don't write anything while I'm explaining, because any which ways I'll be sharing the entire presentation with you, which you can refer whenever you need. So, let's get started. Students, as I discussed, today's topic is lockdown value creation tools for the students. So, we'll move on to the agenda quickly. Next slide, please. So, today's agenda is we'll be discussing on importance of value creation during lockdown. Means why it is important to create value during this lockdown period, how the employers will be evaluating you during what you have done in this lockdown. The next step will be how will this help the students as a lifelong learning. In this, we will be discussing that how the students will be benefited out of these tools wherein they'll be able to have a lifelong learning with them. Then I'll be sharing the most important 4 tools for the students which will help them to uplift their digital presence. So these 3 points are concerned about the value creation, whereas the perks of creating value are discussed on the other hand, which are how this helps to create a strong digital identity for the students. During placements, students will be able to show the interviewer his or her digital performance live. So, it will create a different impact. Students will have a value content to answer the question, tell me about yourself and why we should hire you. So these kind of a tricky questions can be answered with the help of these 4 tools. Move on to the next slide. The first tool is called Medium. I'll be giving you one tip, which is dive into the details by downloading information pack. Means while you use Medium, first of all you download the information pack, go into the details, what exactly is mentioned there, and then start using it. This particular medium is a premier social blogging channel for the first person storyteller. Students, I think you all must be aware of that storytelling is the era today. And a person who is a good storyteller can lead his team effectively. So, on this platform, you will be able to share your knowledge, ideas, and perspectives with thousands of independent voices. And then we'll be combining humans and technology to find the best reading for you. The benefits which you will be getting out of this medium is you can read, write, and post blogs on various topics. Especially, it will help you to give information about your project experiences, or even you can record or write a blog wherein you will be discussing about the new courses which you have done and what are the advantages out of it. This particular community is of 60 million people, and you can easily get recognized to the recruiters on this social platform. So, we'll move to the next tool. This tool is called as TEDx. It is not TEDx. Please take a note of it, because TEDx is on a higher level, but this TEDx is called as the education which is associated with technology. Herein, I'll be giving you one tip, which is use audio narrations feature to save time. Whenever you are using this particular tool, you should use the audio narration feature present there. This particular platform is of a student and teacher platform. In this platform, 250,000 plus teachers are there from all over the globe. So it will be really possible for you to get connected to any of the faculty from the Harvard Business School and get the inputs from him. The benefits which are there for you are students work together to discuss and celebrate creative ideas. You can use TEDx flexible curriculum as a guide and help to inspire tomorrow's TED speakers and the leaders. And an individual student can develop or share an idea on their own with a partner, that is the student, or even to the professor or a teacher from all over the globe. Isn't it a very good tool, students? Let's move on to our third tool. This particular tool is very much important for me because stay focused is something which this particular generation is needed a lot. You can save time by stay focusing and achieve your targets. This is the tip which I wanted to give you, because you guys, whenever you are there on the net, you are surfing here and there and unnecessarily wasting your time on the websites. So stay focused will help you to productively use your time. This particular feature is an extension to your Google Chrome that helps you to stay focused on the work by restricting the amount of time you can spend on time-wasting websites. Once you allot your time and it has been consumed, then the particular site will be blocked and you will be not allowed to use that slide for the rest of the day. So benefits of this particular stay focused tool are increase your productivity by limiting the amount of time that you can spend on time wasting websites. It is highly configurable, allowing you to block or allow entire sites. So students, you are also feeling that you need this particular tool, isn't it? Great. So we'll move on to the fourth and the last tool, which is Airtable. You all must be aware about the spreadsheets which we use in Excel. This is the higher version of it. Airtables are nothing but spreadsheets as well as the data which can be used as database. So a small tip for this is you can use it as both spreadsheets and database. Now please don't ask me what is the difference between the spreadsheet and the database. You must know it, and if you don't know it, please find it out that what exactly is a spreadsheet and what is called as a database. Airtable stores information in a spreadsheet that is visually appealing and it is very easy to use, powerful and enough to act database. It will help you all in maintaining your database of what all learnings you have done, and this database can be easily referred by you as a last minute guide. So this will definitely be a useful tool during your placements. So students, after sharing all these 4 tools, there are certain expectations which I am having. So let us discuss about the expectations of this. Students, I feel that you are supposed to visit all these 4 tools and go through the details meticulously, make your learning curve, and then submit a progress report to the placement department every 15 days. Thank you. Thank you so much. Students, as I discussed today,